Hello, my friends. Today is all about the USA. Oh, that actually even rhymed. Oh, that was pretty cool. Are you ready? Get set. Let's jump in. The first one is one that actually was born because one of our club members' sons was in the military and he was being deployed. And we started talking in one of my No Makeup Mondays about, how thankful we were and how proud of him we were, and just how thankful and how blessed we are as a country. And so this stamp set was born, and I know a lot of you make cards for our military members, and this stamp set is really going to resonate with you. So let me just read what's on here because it is really important. And this would be what you would send to, like, here's an example. Here's an example I want to show you. So here's an example. The light of freedom shines brighter because of your service. Just to say thank you. And inside, wishing you strength, courage, and the knowledge that you are appreciated more than words can express. Isn't that beautiful? So there's a lot of those on here. So let's see. Thank you. Thank you for your service. You're a hero in every sense of the word. Your sacrifice and dedication make our world better. Thank you for serving our country with honor. The light of freedom shines brighter because of your service. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you for your service. God bless you for your courage, dedication, and service. Across the miles, we send heartfelt thanks for your unwavering service. Your commitment to duty is an inspiration to us all. Wishing you strength, courage, and the knowledge that you are appreciated more than words can express. Aren't those awesome? I absolutely love those because it's so important for us to thank our military. Let me tell you, they put everything on the line, and it's important that they get this, right? Now, it's also perfect for also firefighters or even a teacher or a police officer or something like that, just in a way to say thank you, right? I have a lot of samples to show you too. Along these lines, we have, I cannot believe we didn't have these, nested stars. Why on earth did the Stamps of Life, how did we get through 14 and a half years in business and not have nested stars? It's about time, right? So here we go, boatloads of nested stars because you can never have too many. And also, dun, 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 a USA, USA. Fold it. Now, just a heads up, 7-Up, the stars on this USA are separate. So you don't have to do the stars if you don't want to. So here's an example with the stars. I have a feeling that my entire design team loved the stars and they did it on all of them. But look how awesome that is with sparkle paper behind it. Last but not least, for a limited time, we have a new tri-blend set. I know we all love our tri-blends. This is a 5-piece set, but really it's 15 colors because each one has 3. These are metallics. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I have no idea how long we will have these in stock. So get them quick. And they are gorgeous. There's one that's called Pink Quartz, Antique Pearl, and Amethyst. That's just one of them. I know there's 15 colors. Go check it out. Now, let's look at all our awesome samples. First, Michelle made some stuffies. Look how cute these little stars are. This is like perfect. I don't know where I'm going to hang it, but I absolutely positively love it. One of the benefits is I get to keep all these things. And she made a USA stuffy, which isn't that adorable? Liam and Miller are gonna love this. Now let's look at our other ones, our other USA. And I don't want you to think for a second that, hang on, I'm trying to open this one. There we go. Don't think for a second that these are all gonna look the same, right? Because let me just show you. You can go for the antique-y look. You can go for the red, white, and blue look. You can go for the pattern paper look. You could go for another pattern paper look, or you could go for the basics. Look at that. Lots of different options, and they're all different. Isn't that fantastic? It's so amazing when you can take one die and make it look totally different every single time. I love it. Now, and again, the stars are separate, so you don't have to do the stars if you don't want to. Let's look at some of our awesome service and our stars. Thank you for your service. You're a hero in every sense of the word. Perfect for our Star Flip It. Star Flip It is available on the website. Here's another one. This is our rounded corner A2 card die. And here it says, thank you. God bless you for your courage, dedication, and service. And that's a card. Here's a gorgeous, oh, die cut those stars out of the glitter paper. Look at that. You're a hero in every sense of the word. Thank you for your service. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, here's another one. You are unsinkable. Ahoy. Today is all about you. Ooh, here's a 5x7. Oh, I love 5x7s. Look at this. All the fun stars. Happy 4th. Let freedom ring. Look at all those fun stars. Wow, let's do that one last. Look at these. Easy peasy, right? Put a bunch of stars on a card and now you have a card, right? Celebrate. Love that. Last but not least, this one's probably my favorite. Probably the most simple as well. Look at this one. Just those words on that stamp set in different versions, moving it different ways and in different ink colors. Isn't that gorgeous? This one, you could just die cut a whole bunch and just stamp your heart away, right? I stamp as many times as you want. So, oh my goodness, my friends, club members, you know how this works. The first 24 hours, most items that are brand new on our website are on flash sale, meaning there's even a better discount than normal. I know, right? And then club members also get the club discount on top of that flash sale. It's like double discounts, plus you earn club points and you get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not a club member, you need to join at least the Stamp Club. Get your toes wet. Check us out. The Stamp Club's only $13.99 a month and you get all the benefits. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you click the subscribe button and that cute little bell. That's going to give you a notification anytime we go live. We go live 3 times a week. And it's also going to tell you when we upload a new video. So thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.